Hi, and welcome to Mr. Garofalo's podcast. This is a podcast for example 8 from your handout or packet solving number word problems. In this example, we're told that the smaller of two numbers is 18 less than the larger number if 5 times the larger number exceeds 4 times the smaller number by 100. Find the numbers. So remember from class, we want to start out any word problem with a let statement so that we can define our variables. And since they're asking us for two numbers, we're going to want two parts to our let statement. In the first sentence, they're comparing the smaller number. They're comparing some aspect of the smaller number to the larger number. Well, therefore, we're going to let x equal the larger number in this problem. Notice how it comes at the end of the sentence. That's the hint I was giving you in class today. So if x is the larger number, the smaller number is 18 less than the larger, and the larger is x. So if the larger is x, the smaller is 18 less than x, we would write that x minus 18 could represent the smaller number. The equation will come from the next sentence. If 5 times the larger, so we'll start there, and I like the idea of highlighting. If you have highlighters, it's a good time to use them in this unit when we're working on these word problems. Highlight specific sections that are going to create your equation. So like this section in pink, 5 times the larger number, see, well, the larger number is x, 5 times that would be 5x. So for that section, I'm going to have 5x. And then I could take a different color and highlight some other information, different color. Exceeds 4 times the smaller number by 100. That's where we're going to get the rest of our equation. Now, we haven't seen this term in any example we did in class, and exceeds is another way of saying is more than. So another way to read this would be to say if 5 times a larger number is more than 4 times the smaller number by 100. So if we think about this, we say, well, if we want to multiply 5 times the larger number and 4 times the smaller number, in order for the smaller number to equal to the larger, it would have to be added, we'd have to increase it by 100. So we could say that 4 times the smaller number, don't forget to use parentheses around the expression x minus 18, again, that's coming from right here, 4 times the smaller number. But remember, let me just erase that. Right now, this part exceeds this part by 100. So we'd have to add 100 to make them be equal to one another. So that's what they kind of mean by exceed. From there, you go ahead and distribute. You would get 5x is equal to 4x minus 72 plus 100. And I think from here you guys will be able to solve this. Don't forget, when you get to the end of the problem, you're going to have x equals, and you're going to have one of your answers. That answer will be the larger number. Make sure you plug it in right here to get the smaller number. Good luck on the homework. I hope this was helpful. See you in class.